The Young Artisan's Secret to Wealth, a Timeless Lesson. Imagine this. You live in a time where gold is scarce, opportunities are few, and every penny, or should I say every copper coin, counts. What if I told you that a young artisan, barely 18, in medieval Europe, built his own workshop? Not by luck, not by inheritance, but by a simple daily habit. Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you you could do the same today? Stay with me till the end, because this story might just change the way you see money forever. Our story begins in a bustling town filled with merchants, blacksmiths, and bakers shouting out their wares. Amidst the noise, there was a young boy, Lucas. Not a prince, not a noble, just an apprentice woodcarver. His dream? To have his own workshop, to carve the most exquisite furniture, and to be known across the kingdom. But there was one problem. He was broke. Every day, Lucas worked under a strict master who paid him just enough to survive. Bread, some soup, and maybe, if he was lucky, a piece of meat on Sundays. He wanted to save money. But how? Rent, food, taxes. Yes, even in medieval times they had taxes. Left him with almost nothing. One evening, as he sat by the fireplace, his master threw him a small wooden box. "Lucas, lad, ever heard of the tortoise and the hare?" Lucas frowned. "Aye, slow and steady wins the race." The master grinned. "Good, now be the tortoise." Lucas opened the box. Inside, a single copper coin. Confused? So was Lucas, until his master explained. "Every day, put just one copper coin in this box, no matter what, rain or shine, feast or famine, just one coin." Lucas scratched his head. "One coin? That's barely anything." His master chuckled. "One coin today, another tomorrow, 1,000 days later, what do you have?" Lucas didn't believe him, but he had nothing to lose. So every evening, before going to bed, he dropped one coin into the box. It became a habit. At first, it felt pointless. A month passed, then 2, then 6. The box grew heavier. He started enjoying the sound of the coin dropping. It became a ritual, a game. Sometimes he'd try flipping the coin in. Other times he'd close his eyes and guess where it landed. But it wasn't easy. There were temptations everywhere. The bakery across the street sold the crispiest pies. The tavern, full of laughter and music. And his friends, always finding ways to spend their last penny. One day, his best friend, Thomas, caught him sneaking a coin into the box. "Lucas, you madman! What are you doing?" Lucas smirked, "Saving for my workshop." Thomas burst into laughter. "With a single copper a day. By the time you have enough, we'll have grandchildren." Lucas just smiled, because he knew something Thomas didn't. Years passed. Lucas barely noticed how the habit had changed him. He became disciplined. He found ways to earn a little extra. Polishing chairs, fixing broken carts, even carving wooden spoons to sell at the market. And every time he earned a bit more, he'd save a little more. One day he opened the box. It was full. He counted, then counted again. It wasn't just a handful of coins. It was enough to buy wood, rent a small space, and start his own workshop. He had done it. So, what's the lesson here? Lucas didn't win the lottery. He didn't inherit riches. He didn't rob a bank, though, let's be honest, in medieval times, that wasn't the best idea anyway. He built his future with one simple daily habit, saving just a little, consistently, no matter what. And guess what? This isn't just a medieval trick. It works today. A small daily investment can change your future. Whether it's saving money, learning a skill, or improving your health, it's all about consistency. So tell me, what's the one habit you can start today that your future self will thank you for? Drop your answers in the comments, and if you enjoyed this story, hit that like button and subscribe for more eye-opening tales. Until next time, keep building your future one small step at a time.